Imagine a global partner who pushes boundaries to challenge the way the world views success, who rises above adverse weather conditions, desperate environmental confrontations, and uncharted territory to deliver against all odds. DRA Global is a leading international engineering, project delivery and operations management group with an impressive track record spanning more than 3 decades. DRA Global is the partner whose holistic approach ensures success in every project they endeavour. They are a powerful partner from concept development through to delivery and optimisation. DRA Global's team of experts drive innovation through world-class consulting services and support clients across multiple sectors to achieve their goals in minerals and metals processing, mining, infrastructure, energy, water, industrial, operations, maintenance and shutdown services. The organisation's unrivaled technical capability delivers real value through fit-for-purpose solutions that consistently meet time and budget constraints as well as the highest standards of safety. DRA Global is known throughout the industry as the partner of choice and has successfully completed over 4,500 projects worldwide. They continue to solve the engineering problems of tomorrow, today. DRA Global, your total solutions partner.